In this video, you'll learn how to hire a home repair service using Taskrabbit. By the end of this guide, you will be able to find and book a skilled tasker to help with your home repair needs. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website. Once the homepage loads, you will see options to either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. If you are new to Taskrabbit, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create your account. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials to access your profile. After successfully logging in, look for the Book a Task button located at the top of the homepage. This button will direct you to the task booking interface. Once you click it, you will be taken to a new page where you can begin to search for the service you need. In the search bar, type home repair to find available services. This category may also be listed under terms such as handyman or general repair. As you type, suggestions may appear, allowing you to select the appropriate category. Click on the relevant option to refine your search. Next, you will need to enter your location to see available taskers in your area. Input your address or allow the site to access your current location. This step is crucial as it ensures that you find taskers who can reach you easily. Now, describe your job in detail to help potential taskers understand what needs fixing. You might mention issues like a broken door or the need for patching walls. Providing clear and specific details will assist taskers in estimating their ability to complete the job and will help you receive accurate quotes. Once you've described your job, you will be presented with a list of taskers who match your criteria. Review their profiles, which include hourly rates and customer reviews. Comparing these factors will help you choose the right tasker for your specific needs. After selecting a tasker, the next step is to schedule your appointment. Choose a date and time that works best for you from the available options. This will finalize your booking and ensure that the tasker can accommodate your request. Finally, note that you will only be charged once the job is complete. This payment structure provides peace of mind, knowing that you only pay for satisfactory service. Make sure to confirm all details before completing your booking to avoid any misunderstandings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.